There are 3 don'ts when buying a home. First one is going to be, don't ignore your credit score. Your credit score can affect your ability to get a mortgage and the interest rate that you'll pay. So making sure that your credit score is good before you start the home buying process and working on improving it if necessary. Don't open new lines of credit because this can also lower your score. If you are in need of repair to your credit, please contact us. We have lenders and repair specialists that we can connect you with. Also, don't rush the decision. Buying a home is a big decision that requires, very careful consideration. So if you take your time, don't feel pressured to make an offer on the first property that you see. That's not how I operate in my real estate business. I don't ever pressure you into buying any home, much less the first home that you see. So it's also important to weigh the pros and cons of making that decision. Just make sure that it's right for you. I can tell when somebody really loves a home. You can kind of see the stars in their eyes. And so I don't recommend buying a home unless it makes that kind of sense for you, that you at least fall in love with it a little bit. I know that's hard here in LA to find that perfect home, but just don't rush it. Don't feel rushed by anybody. Don't let anybody make you feel rushed. Also, don't neglect to take a factor of the hidden costs. There are multiple costs when you are purchasing a property to take into consideration, and that's hidden costs such as property taxes. You will have home insurance and home repairs, so that can add up and eat into your budget. And so make sure you factor these costs into your budget and make sure you have some sort of plan in place for those unexpected expenses. Set aside some money at the end of every month and make sure that you are taking your property taxes into account, because if you're a first-time home buyer, you may not have thought about that before or had to think of that before. So but those are my 3 don'ts when buying a home. There are, of course, multiple don'ts whenever it comes to buying a home. And I have a whole team of agents that are here to help you. So if you are looking at buying a home, please let us know. We'd be happy to help you.